Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we will learn how we can get the research papers and research articles from paid journals. So suppose we are working on misconceptions in photosynthesis and I need papers from the journals of Taylor and Francis. So for that I can directly go to that Taylor and Francis group. So I can type Taylor and Francis online. Okay, so in the home page of Taylor and Francis, here I have to search my topic, that is misconceptions in photosynthesis. So let's see how many papers I am getting here. So I am getting 570 papers. Research articles is here. Here only one paper is freely accessible. When you will see that the green tick mark is here, that means this paper is freely available. We can get this paper without paying anything. So let's see how can we get that. For this paper, as it was freely available, so I can directly get the PDF of this paper, download this PDF, and here is the full paper. As it was freely accessible, that's why we are getting without doing anything. Okay, now come to the, I'm closing these tabs, come to the other research articles. Here anywhere you will not get this tick mark, that means this paper is not freely accessible. So if I want to get this paper, so for getting this paper I am clicking here and I am opening it in a new tab. See, it's asking to get access. So and let's see how much money it's asking for getting access. See, it's asking to purchase and it's asking for 44 USD. Okay, but I need that paper. So for getting this paper, what I can do is I can search the DOI number. Where is the DOI number is in this page? Here I am getting this DOI number. Simply right click here and copy this link address, and we need to go to another website. So in a new tab I am going to that website, that is SciHub. Here only. So I am going to that website, SciHub. Let it be open. Yeah, it's open. Here we have to paste that DOI link, and simply you can click enter here. See whether we can get that paper or not. Yeah, see the full paper is available. It's total 11 pages paper. See, it's the full paper, photosynthesis paper. Here all the methodologies and references are over there. So in this way I can get the full paper. By clicking here you can download this paper. So I'm downloading this paper in my desktop, so I can save it here. So in this way I can get paper from Taylor and Francis. Now go for another journal. Suppose I want to get papers from Sage journals. So I'm going to Sage journals page. So in Sage journals page, see here we are in the page of Sage journals. Now here I need to type my topic, that is misconceptions in photosynthesis. Let's see how many papers I can get here from here. Here I am getting so many papers here, but here also I am getting two types of locks are there. See, here the lock is open, means it's freely accessible paper, and here it's locked, means it for this I need to access it. So let's see what is the difference between there. I am opening both the papers here. See, where the key was open, so for getting this paper, download the PDF is active, and by down clicking here I can directly download the paper. Let it be open. Yeah, getting the full paper. Yeah, it's a paper of 12 pages. As it was freely accessible, that's why without doing anything I can get that paper. But where was the accessible, where it was not freely accessible, so the key was locked actually. So for this same thing we will do. See how much money it's asking for. It's $37.50. So I need to get this paper and search the DOI link. So here is the DOI link. Simply right click over here, click on the link address, copy the link address, and again we need to open that SciHub page. So I'm again opening that. Go to that site. Yeah, here I'm pasting that. Yeah, earlier we did enter only. Now click on that open tab. That will also give the same result. Let's see whether we can get or not. See, the full paper is here. It's a 14 pages paper with all the methodologies and all the references, and from here we can also download that paper. And we can save it in our system also. So in this way we can get any research papers and articles from any paid journal. I think this is very helpful for the research scholars and the PhD scholars or the PG students who are doing their dissertations and their projects also. So this was all about how to get the research articles and papers from paid journals. So you can do it by yourself. So